right, Michael, that was a jailhouse interview that he did with a reporter there in Las Vegas. That doesn't make him sound very good. What do you think about that?
No, I mean he's not a perfect person, and he's got a checkered past, and I don't believe that this person, the way he's constructed and situated, would make him the type of person it's impossible for him to have committed this crime. He could have committed this crime. It would be bizarre for a public official to murder a juror. I mean, that would be completely bizarre, and that's why I'm really looking forward to the evidence that's going to be presented. I'm really looking forward to the openings by both sides. But the domestic violence, I've represented a lot of people who've fought domestic violence cases, and they kind of all go down the same path, right? They kind of all have the same lineage, origin story, if you'd say, right? And the origin story is not good, because for you to raise your hand, and there's no evidence really that he hit his wife, but he scared her and she called the police, and he said that he's sober, and there's ways of testing that. And I mean, at the end of the day, is he a monster yet? Have they painted him to be a villain? We have to see what the prosecution is going to do. Obviously, they want to paint this guy to be a villain. I don't know how they bring in the fact that he has a prior domestic violence charge. I don't think they'll bring it in. But in the day and age right now, the jury pools all know everything about every case. That's my conspiracy theory. When they sit down for a case, they've researched everything. I think every juror going into that box is going to know that he had a domestic violence charge, even though they're not supposed to know it and they're not supposed to bring it up or look at it. I just don't see how it's brought up. Go ahead.